It's Teacher Paige. It's time for Oh My Stars! Let's go! Stars are a great opportunity to grab your students' attention. A lot of times when you're teaching online, it's hard to lose the student because you are only, like this big on their screen. So it's important to have attention grabbers. I love using clappers and party favors and silly headbands. Anything that I can do to keep that student engaged, especially the little tiny baby ones that are like 5. Their attention span is already not really 25 minutes, so you really have to keep them interested. So here are 5 great tips so that you can use your stars to keep them engaged, to suck them in and really get them excited about the star. Act out your star. Be the star. Whatever image is on the star, act like that character. Act like that thing. They love it. One of my favorite images to do this with is the robot. Take a look. Robot stars are a huge hit with the boys, and I think it's because I give them to them like this. You get a star. 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun.
Hello, I am a robot. Beep, 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 beep.
You can do this too. All you need is one of these microphones. I got mine at the Dollar Tree. I bang it against the counter. Then I just talk.
I am a robot. Beep, 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 beep.
Sometimes the robot might say something about the lesson, like, I have 2 eyes, or, look, my hands are black. The boys really like this one. They love it when you sing. When you are losing them, singing, I feel, always gets them back on track. I love to sing with characters that already have a song in their storyline. For example, Elsa. Or let it go, let it go. La na 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 na. If they're really little, I usually won't sing the words just because that's too much. But if they are a student that's more advanced and I think that they will be able to follow the words, I might sing the words as well. Under the sea, under the sea. Sometimes it's fun to just freak out and be crazy. You get a star. 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. I always have an additional star, if I choose to do that, laying around somewhere so that I'm not scrambling on the floor trying to find the star that I just flung into the air. When you use food stars, pretend to eat them. Or what they love often even more is pretending for them to eat them. You can even feed them to Dino. Just channel your inner Cookie Monster. The last way that you can make your stars even more impactful and grab their attention is by pairing them with a prop, like this. Have fun with it. Use your imagination. Really get into the stars. I always try to use one of these 5 strategies to give them more oomph, especially when I'm not doing another reward. Because if I'm only doing the star, then this additional little pizzazz really just makes it more meaningful. It makes the student more excited. A lot of times it gives us more to talk about so that we can extend a little bit more on the star and have more conversation. And if they are like, off in another planet, it almost always reels them back in. I hope these ideas help you use stars in your classroom. What are your favorite ways to make stars more fun? Let me know in the comments. If you have any questions about how to use stars in your classroom, be sure to drop a comment below so I can help you out. Thanks for dropping in! Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when I post new videos. Happy teaching! Woo!
Boop, 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 boop.